Hello again. Some big contrasts with the weather today. For some it feels like spring, but a taste of winter in places, particularly tonight. It's a bit of a north-south split through the rest of today. Generally it's dry and it's really quite mild again across the south, perhaps not quite as mild as yesterday, whereas further north it's chillier with some sunshine, but also a whole heap of showers. As you can see here on the radar, zone of showers working its way earlier on across Scotland and Northern Ireland. That's now spreading into parts of northern England and North Wales through the late morning. Some fairly heavy bursts mixed in with that, some hail and thunder is possible. Meanwhile, the threat of some thicker cloud returning to the south coast, maybe a bit of drizzle, certainly fairly damp across the Channel Isles. More showers will come into Scotland and Northern Ireland, but they'll be more scattered. There'll be some spells of sunshine through the central belt and eastern Scotland this afternoon, clouding over a little over the Midlands, but a good part of the Midlands, South Wales, southern and eastern England staying dry and bright. It's a little bit breezy out there, but temperatures, well above where they have been recently. As I say, perhaps not quite as mild as yesterday, but 13 or 14 is possible. Whereas further north, we're still in single figures and feeling colder when the showers come along. And there will be more showers around this evening and overnight. In fact, only pretty wet across southern Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. And in this, we need to keep our eyes peeled because there will be some more wintry weather coming in. Through the night, the showers turning more and more to snow, mostly over hills, but above relatively small hills, 150 metres to 200 metres, we could see a couple of centimetres. And more snow showers will be getting to low levels over western Scotland. Even when the snow clears, it could then all freeze up. So there's the potential for some ice in places. We do have weather warnings in force. As I said, the snow mostly over hills, but some could get down to relatively low levels. And I said it could be quite slippery through the night and first thing on Thursday morning for the rush hour. It is going to be a cold night. Temperatures in towns and cities, certainly across the south, holding up, but colder than last night. There will be a frost across much of northern Britain, certainly in rural areas. So a wintry start to Thursday for many. Still some snow showers over the highlands of Scotland. Again, large part of the country will be dry and bright, but quite a few rain showers drifting in on an increasing wind across the south and turning wet and windy once more through parts of southwest Scotland and Northern Ireland. The winds continuing to strengthen here. There will be sunny spells, but with that breeze and with colder air, generally it is going to feel quite a bit chillier on Thursday, certainly quite noticeably so, I think, across England and Wales. We're back into single figures for many as the maxima. During Thursday evening, we'll see a few more of those showers, again with more snow over the Grampians for a time. Northern Ireland, Northern England, parts of Wales, seeing some heavier showers working in. Again, the potential for some hail and thunder and those gusty winds continuing to strengthen. It does look as if it should be largely dry and bright as we go into Friday, with the more wet and windy weather then arriving at the weekend. More details on that. You should subscribe to our YouTube channel, and there's always the very latest hour-by-hour details, the very latest on the weather warnings on Twitter and Facebook.